In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing dinner that can reverse pre-diabetes and is perfect for our diabetics and those looking for weight loss, because guess what? It can help burn fat.
I cannot wait to show you how to make this.
Grab your pen and paper. You're going to want to put these ingredients on your shopping list. We have our Italian dressing. I'm using Kim's. Just be sure to check the label to look at that sugar and carb count. We have cottage cheese, which we'll learn is one of our secret weight loss weapons in a little bit. We have our palmini, which is going to be our noodle, which is hearts of palm at 4 grams of carbs, mozzarella cheese, and check this out, gang. So we have Rayo's and we have Prego. And so what I'm doing is comparing the labels, and Rayo has 5 grams of net carbs and Prego has our 7 grams of net carbs. And then I kind of look at calories, and then I look a little bit at price, and you're going to see in a little bit which one I decided to pick. Now go ahead and put that final ingredient, which is our 90-10 ground meat, in our saucepan. I get a lot of questions about ground meat, and I'm still to this day, I am a 90-10 girl. If I see 93.7, it's kind of hard to find lately. I'll use that. You could use turkey, you could use chicken, and folks are very concerned about what meat to use. And you know, where are my manners? Hello, if you're new here, welcome, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Dietitian Shelly. During the day, I work in a private practice clinic in the great state of Louisiana. I work with diabetics, pre-diabetics, those with PCOS, those looking to lose weight. I also post videos on this YouTube channel related to the same: diabetes, pre-diabetes, insulin resistance, hormone imbalance. If you're that person who wants to lower your blood sugars, take control of your weight, balance out your hormones, you are going to want to subscribe to this channel. I would love to have you along in the family so that you can learn how to eat yummy foods, learn some easy tips that won't break the bank. So please subscribe. I would love to have you be part of this family. You're going to see how I'm going to add, well, I'm draining the palmini noodles first. You don't see it. I'm kind of doing it while this meat is getting brown. Okay, so because we want to brown out our meat. You also are not going to see me drain this meat, but I want you to do that. I give it a little rinsey rinse. And I chose the Prego. The reason I chose the Prego is because I love Rayo's. I will tell you, I love Rayo's. I'm just not loving the price right now. You know, I know a lot of us are penny pinching it. I want you to feel okay. Not buying the most expensive item, but still buying an item that's okay. So please don't feel guilty about that. We're gonna pour in about a 4th cup of the Italian dressing. This adds a really nice zing, a really nice zang, and I like that. Stir in your palmini, and you're gonna see that I'm putting it on low. Yes, there's my face, there's my hair, woohoo, yay. That's what I look like, you know, on normal days, not all made up, it's okay. And we're adding that weight loss weapon, a cup of our cottage cheese. Okay, so let's talk about this. So how is cottage cheese a weight loss winner? Well, easy, it's loaded with protein. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein, and to say it in scientific terms, it promotes satiety. To say it in normal words, satiety is the feeling of fullness. So in other words, this is gonna fill you up without filling you out, without having you reach for other items. Now, the really cool thing about fat burning is cottage cheese is very low on the glycemic index scale. Now, there's a little bit of discrepancy. You know, some places I'll see it's 10, some places I'll see it's 15, but the lower glycemic index foods will produce less blood glucose and insulin, which will avoid us creating body fat. So we always want to reach for low glycemic foods. We're going to stir that together. We're going to sprinkle this with some cheese. We're going to let it sit, y'all. This dinner's amazing. It can help reverse pre-diabetes because it's all low glycemic. Cook this now. Go in the description box, get the recipe, subscribe to this channel, and gang, much love.